Hi guys, we have already discussed how to define validations with these options here. Now let's look how to make use of this validate option for custom validations. To demonstrate the same, suppose we want to prevent fake email address into this email field here. For example, email@gmail.com or similar fake emails. Or you want to block emails from a list of blacklisted domains. For that, we could do this. Here we have the input control for email. Along with this pattern, I will pass this option validate. Inside that, we can pass functions defining how we want to validate the control. Now, I will define this custom validation, not fake. Into it, we have to pass a function like this, defining how we want to validate the control. So, the parameter of this function will be the value from the respective input control. In this case, it will be the value from this email control. Inside the function, we will check whether the provided email is equal to email@gmail.com. So if this is the given email address, we want to raise a validation error. For that, we can return this error message, particular email is blocked. Else will return true. Now let's check whether it works or not. For that, first of all, I will change the validation to on change so that we can see the validation errors immediately after we type the field values. Let's type the same email, which is email@gmail.com. So it works perfectly fine. Now actually we could simplify this whole if-else block with a single return statement like this. Return if value is not equal to the particular email that we have provided here. This expression returns true. So that's what we have passed here. Now, if the value is the given email address here, we want to return this string. For that, we can have this OR operator. Now let me comment this. Now let me format the code using the shortcut Shift-Alt-F. So if email address is not equal to this one, this expression returns true. Else, this error message will be returned. Okay. Now let me get rid of this. Now like this, we can define multiple custom validations. Suppose we want to block emails from suspicious domains. We can add a custom validation like this, not from blacklisted domain. So here we have the function with single parameter value. Now I'll make use of the same return statement like this. Now the error message will be like this domain is not supported. In order to check the domain from the given email address, we can make use of this string method ends with. If the domain is xyz.com, we want to prevent this email. So I will equate this with false. In short, you could do this. We'll prefix this expression with the negation like this. Okay. If you want to add other domains like this, we can have this AND operator. Then suppose we want to block the domain example.com. So this will block the particular domains. Now before the domain, let's append this @symbol. That would be more precise. Now inside this validation function here, you can read the values from other fields inside the form through the second parameter values. From that, we can access the values from other controls like customer name, order number, etc. Now let's check whether it works or not. See, this domain is not supported. You will see the same if you provide the domain XYZ. So that's how we implement custom validation with the register option validate. Alright my friends, this is the end of free YouTube video series on React Hook Form. To watch rest of the lessons and to make most out of React Hook Form for building better forms in React applications, go ahead with the Udemy course. The provided links will always ensure maximum discount. And also I would like to extend this playlist with some practical use cases of React Hook Form once you complete the course. So see you in the course.